Hi everybody, this is Ms. Ornelas. I'm going to walk you through our grade checks, our grade check chats, as I like to call them, that you guys are going to be doing every Tuesday for the rest of the semester. I'm going to be showing you an example with September 28th version. Remember, these are going to be submitted every month. So let's talk about this. Okay, so every Tuesday when you guys come in, this is going to be your first due now. It's going to be your grade checks, okay? 4 of them are going to be put together because I want to see your growth over a month. So here is October 5th, here is October 12th, and here's October 19th. After October 19th, you may notice there are no more grade checks. That doesn't mean they've gone away. That just means we finished a month. You will reflect on the month's grades. Have you improved? Have you not improved? Or are some of your grades going down? We're going to look at that. Okay? And hopefully you guys are all growing, especially since we've just come back to school. So let me show you how to complete this chart. So, for example, you're going to fill out each one of these sections based on your classes. So, for example, you're going to check Aries, okay, and then you're going to input your grades. I want to see percentages, so 92.1% for English. Maybe for math, you're not doing the hottest, and you're at a 76.3% because you have 2 missing assignments, okay? We're moving on. Social studies, you have an 83.5%. You're doing real good. PE, you have 100%. Oops. Science, you have a 95.5%. Again, you're getting these grades straight from Aries. Maybe for AVID, you have a 98%. Okay? I would love for all of you to have a 98% in my class. Okay, so for ELA, you're going to write me a comment. Maybe there's something you need to work on. Why is your grade not at 100%? Maybe you lost a few points in a quiz. I need you guys to justify these. Okay, you have a C in math. I have 3 missing assignments. Okay? How much were they worth? They were worth 100 points. Okay, maybe this is why you're significantly losing. You're going to go through and make sure you have those comments. We haven't calculated GPA yet, so don't be super worried about that. We will do that in class come the last grade check, okay? Then step 2, what went well this past week? I want you to go ahead and take this time to reflect. Think on positives. You can say things such as, for example, this week, I have turned in an assignment for math that was overdue, or that was late. That was late. You can tell me maybe Mr. Chung will take it for full credit. So my math grade will increase. Okay? What are these things that are going well? Maybe you've been going to tutoring, and tutoring has helped you raise that grade in math. Whatever it is, okay? This is where you will write that, the positives. 2, what do you hope to accomplish this week? What steps can you take to accomplish or work towards your goal? Okay, maybe your goal is to turn in 3 pieces of late work, okay? Or write in my agenda. What are some steps you can take? So maybe some steps you can take are having my teachers stamp my agenda will significantly help, etc. Okay? I want you to write at least 2 full and complete sentences. Again, this is a 10-minute check-in, so I just want to see where you guys are at. And then what is something you need help with right now? Okay? Maybe those missing assignments are piling up. I need help with all of my missing assignments. Okay? They are bringing my grade down. Whatever it is. What resources on campus can you utilize? So maybe you can go to the tutors. Maybe you can go directly to Mr. Chung. Maybe you can see if there's any teacher who will let you stay before or after school so you can stay focused. Maybe you just need a quiet place on campus. What can you as my student do in order to get these grades up? Okay, so this is what a little bit of what a completed form would look like. I would hope you're filling it in just a little bit more, but this is just a brief demonstration. So next week we will start with October 5th, and then so on. We will be doing this. They will be due once a month. If you are confused on how to turn it in, you're going to go ahead and go down to classwork, go down to grade checks grade checks right here. I have some students who turned it in. They're not supposed to turn it in. The month hasn't finished yet. You're going to click view assignment and then turn in. Okay? I will tell you in class when to turn them in. They will be a grade for me. They're pretty significant of a grade. I believe I gave them a 100-point value just so that, yeah, it's 100 points just so that you guys know each one is worth 25 points to me, because your grades and you guys being scholars is a huge part of AVID. So that's why that is the way it is. Okay, you guys, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school, and I'll help you guys out. But this has been our grade check video. See you guys in class.